Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and review the Werner 22 feet step ladder. Now this ladder has been really good to me. It is pretty sturdy. And I have used it as a satellite internet technician, where I climb up to people's roofs and install satellite internet. This ladder does extend, and you can use it many ways. For example, the way it's set up right now is perfect if you're going to set up, for example, Christmas lights. So that's one way you could set it up. Another way you can set up this ladder by pressing these guys here, extending it. So here's another way to set it up also. You want to do your Christmas lights this way too. And let me show you the other way to do it. Now when you set up the ladder against the house, against the roof there, make sure this part of the ladder is towards the wall. You don't want to put it backwards or it can fold on you. So this is the way you put it. Make sure it's sturdy. Works pretty well. Now, what's nice about this ladder is you can extend it too. Let's get these latches out of the way. And you can extend it even further. You can extend it on the other side too. So you can extend it to reach even higher places. So I love this ladder because it's so versatile. I think we paid around 200 and I don't remember the exact price. I think it was 230 to 250 around there. It is a little pricey, but I really recommend it. It's worth it. It's worth the price. You can make it very. See how high that is? That's not all the way either. It could still go even higher. Pretty good ladder. It's pretty heavy duty. You've been using it every day, Monday through Friday, from last October 2017 to March 2018, and it's still going. The only thing, I might need to oil up these little latches here because they start to get a little hard to get them to move, but that's about it. So pretty good ladder. I recommend it. Alright, so to bring it down, it's actually pretty easy. Just hold it here, put these guys down, and then just let it drop and catch it. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Let's put it away.